Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add a closed captions in CapCut to make your videos more accessible for everyone. Let's get started. First, launch CapCut and start a new project. Then here, import the video that you want to add captions to. Then, tap on text at the bottom and select Auto Captions. Choose the language your video is in and tap Start and CapCut will automatically generate captions. Here you can review the generated text carefully. Tap on any caption box to correct spelling, grammar, or timing. You can drag options or captions to adjust when they appear on the screen. Then tap a caption and go to Style. You can change the font, color, size, or background to make them clear and easy to read. And for accessibility, you can use high contrast. Once the caption look good, tap export and save in HD and share it with your video, with your friends or families. And that's it. You've just added closed captions in CapCut, making your video more accessible and viewer friendly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.